Check out this pre-owned 2008 Honda Accord EX. This two-door coupe has a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 116,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, moonroof, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, and window defogger. Call us today at 818-892-8689. Come and take advantage of our easy financing and low monthly payments.